Many people are sitting themselves to an early death and disease. The average person sits for about 8 hours per day. That means that there's many people who are sitting 10 or 12 or even more hours per day. And we know that sitting time has only increased over the past decades due to automation of activities and jobs. Now, while there's no optimal target for recommended amount of sitting just yet, it's recommended that people sit less than they do. Now, the problem with sitting is that for long periods, daily, on a day-to-day basis, after months and years, what it does is increases your risk for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, dementia, and an early death. Now, we're not going to get rid of sitting because some tasks are just more easily done while sitting, and that's not the point. But what happens when you sit is your metabolism slows down. It's kind of like that car that comes to a stoplight and the engine shuts off. And there are good reasons for that, because when you're sitting, you don't need as much energy. So your muscles don't need to take up fats and blood glucose from the bloodstream. And the problem, though, from a health perspective, is continuous uninterrupted sitting, because what that happens is that leaves that excess fat, excess blood glucose circulating in your bloodstream. But we know that if you get up every 20 to 30 minutes or so, do maybe 1 to 2 minutes of moderate activity or light activity, so that could be walking in place, could be walking down the hall, doing some jumping jacks, sit-ups, push-ups, squats, going upstairs. This is enough actually to keep your metabolism going and reduce the amount of glucose and fats in your blood. Now, we call these things exercise snacks, and they're also great for giving you a burst of energy if you're in the middle of a workday and it's getting tiring, gives you creative juices flowing, improves your productivity. Now, to help remind you to get in these exercise snacks, you can just set your phone alarm for every 20 to 30 minutes. Or if you have a wearable, some of them will buzz to tell you to get up, or even install an app that shuts down your phone or your computer. And remember, just by doing that small amount of activity throughout the day to interrupt your sitting, you're doing a great wonder for your health.